Welcome to the future of Bharat's GovCloud, AI and infrastructure. We have been joined by Mr. Sunil Gupta, co-founder, CEO and MD, Yotta Data Services. Thank you, sir, for joining us today. This event has been organized by Yotta and Microsoft in association with APAC Media and CXO Media. Sir, I would first like to ask you that in your welcome address, you had pointed out that this collaboration between Yotta and Microsoft is the coming together of the global best in cloud infrastructure and the local best. So what are the implications of this partnership for you?
So as I said in my address that India potentially is going to be the world's largest AI market, both as a supplier of AI, which means that our startups and our research institutions create large language models and AI applications and agentic AI, which not only serving the various use cases in India, but also can serve the use cases across the world. The way we have done UPI in India, made it successful in India and then exported to rest of the world, same thing we can replicate in AI as well. And in terms of adoption, needless to say that with our 80 crore plus smartphones, where people are creating, consuming content every single day, and most of the AI use cases will ultimately result into some applications that are mobile, besides the AI which gets into sensors and devices and edge devices. So this base of consumers is again going to play a huge role in making India as one of the largest AI market in the world. When you're trying to address this large potential market, you need to overcome the challenges. And the challenges in creating AI and adopting AI in India one is abundant availability of wholesale large-scale compute infrastructure in India, the type which Yotta has started creating. And of course, Yotta will keep on creating it on a much, much larger level in times to come. And the second is on the top of this huge compute infrastructure, you need the whole orchestration layer, which helps people in creating AI solutions, training LLMs, SLMs or LMMs, in modernizing the applications, plugging in the AI functionality into those applications, in curating data, using the data to train the models and things like that. Now, that is where Azure is a market leader and they come in. They already have taken their lead with their partnership of OpenAI also and their own Azure specific models also. They come with those strengths of creating those models. They come with their Copilot studios. They come with their GitHub studios. They come with all those functionalities which help people to create AI and consume AI. And that infrastructure, that capability need to run on a sovereign infrastructure, which is highly capable international benchmark, which Yotta brings in. And that also gives a sort of a comfort, safety, security. I would say in overall sense, I can say the sovereignty framework to the Indian customers, be it in government, be it in enterprises, be it in academia, that you are using the best technologies, but within the sovereign framework of somebody who is creating all this, who is controlling all this in India, Indian operator, Indian hands. And so that even when we are using foreign technology, that is controlled by and operated by Indian operator. So that is where I say this is the best of both worlds. Huge market, use the best technology, but use the sovereign cloud, have the best of both.
Thank you, sir. If one wants to understand how this partnership is designed, so could you elaborate on that?
Yes. So what we have done is that we are bringing the Microsoft Azure AI Foundry complete platform to run into Yotta's data center right on the top of our Shakti Cloud. So essentially, majority of the AI capabilities which I'm talking about of Azure will be running within the physical building of Yotta's data centers where my GPU compute is running in. So naturally, you can put whole lot of guardrails and observability and a security layer on the top of that, making sure that customers' data is safe, customer applications are safe, customer models are safe, they're within Indian control, they're following laws of the land. And there are certain services which might not be available there, only those services get consumed from the Azure public cloud, but again within the overall security framework. So that is how technically it's going to work. I think nothing better could have been there for scaling the AI adoption in India.
Thank you so much, sir, for your wonderful insights. Thank you for joining us today. Thank you.